Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Kinsta Managed WordPress hosting. My premium hosting review. Kinsta Managed WordPress hosting offers premium WordPress hosting, specifically designed for businesses and individuals who prioritize performance, security, and ease of management. They handle all the technical aspects of hosting, including server maintenance, security updates, and backups, allowing users to focus on their website content. Key features include Google Cloud Platform infrastructure, automatic daily backups, and a user-friendly control panel. Their website provides detailed information on their various plans and features. Kinsta emphasizes their commitment to speed and performance, utilizing Google Cloud's premium tier network and strategically located data centers. They highlight their expert support team, available 24/7 to assist with any WordPress-related issues. While their pricing is higher than some shared hosting providers, they position themselves as a premium solution, offering a hassle-free experience and superior performance. You can check their website for current pricing and available plans. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Kinsta Managed WordPress hosting. Setting up my website was incredibly smooth. The onboarding process was guided and straightforward. I was able to migrate my existing WordPress site with just a few clicks, and Kinsta's support team was proactive in ensuring a seamless transfer. Navigating the My Kinsta dashboard was intuitive. I found the interface clean and well-organized, making it easy to manage my site, access backups, and monitor performance metrics. One specific example is how easy it was to set up staging environments. With a single click, I could create a copy of my live site to test updates and plugins without affecting the main website. The performance has been outstanding. My site loads incredibly fast, and I haven't experienced any downtime. I was really impressed by how Kinsta automatically optimizes my site for performance without requiring any technical intervention from my end. I had a quick question about caching, and their support team responded within an hour via chat, providing clear and helpful guidance. The standout feature for me was definitely the performance monitoring tools. The detailed analytics provided valuable insights into my site's traffic and resource usage. One minor drawback was the lack of email hosting, which meant I had to use a third-party provider. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Kinsta. While the price is a bit higher than some other options, the performance, ease of use, and excellent support justify the investment. That's my overview of Kinsta Managed WordPress hosting. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.